Daffodils! Today we are visiting Laurel Ridge Farm, located on Wigwam Road in Litchfield, Connecticut. The farm is well known for its several acres of gorgeous daffodil fields. And as I like to do, we're going to do a quick little 360-degree circle around. That's looking north, and we're swinging around, and we're going to be heading south. That is Route 254, heading down that way to the right toward Thomaston, Connecticut. And we're swinging around and we're getting ready to head down toward the daffodil fields. So this area is what we call the Litchfield Hills, and we're flying down Wigwam Road. So daffodils are one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring in our temperate climate, and they are a welcome antidote to the dreary colors of winter. Daffodils originated in southern Europe, but were spread across much of the continent by Roman soldiers, including the British Isles. The Romans thought that daffodils had medicinal properties, but in fact, it was later found that daffodils are toxic to humans and their domesticated pets. I don't believe deer eat them either, so if you have them in your garden, then you shouldn't have to worry about them being cut down by the wildlife, like other popular garden flowers. Daffodils now come in thousands of varieties, but most people are familiar with the yellow and white daffodils that have spread throughout the countryside. The daffodil fields here are on private land, but the farm generously allowed the public to wander the fields until May 14th, from dawn to dusk, and there's no fee. After that, the daffodils have passed their peak, and this is, after all, a working farm. This is a very popular tourist stop on weekends during the height of the season. I know a friend of mine who had some of her wedding photos taken in the field, and they were very beautiful. And now for a little musical interlude. So I hope you have enjoyed this little visit to the daffodil fields of northern Connecticut. If you have, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We have a whole series of videos coming out that, like my previous ones, please check them out also, go to places that are worth a visit and that I tried to show with a fresh perspective. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.